Krishna, everyone. So this is part 6 of the Mayapuris Mridanga performance. If you haven't seen the previous parts, you can find the link to part 5 in the description below. And we're going through the Mayapuris Mridanga performance. If you haven't seen that, that will also be in the description. And whatever we're covering today will also all be in the description below. So the beat that we're going to be covering, the part that we're going to be covering is we're continuing from the matan section of this performance. And it's actually quite simple. So it goes dhene, 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 da, dhina, dhina. So actually it would be da, dhene, dhene, da, dhina, dhina. Right? Da. So da is open on the big side and nak. Da. Da. And then dhene. So dhene. De is both sides together, one finger on the small side. Dhene, dhene. Da, dhene, dhene. Da, dhene, dhene. And then da, 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 dhene. Next part is da, dhene. Da, dhi. So da, again, same da. Da, dhi. D is with one finger and open on the big side. So dhi. And that one finger will be closed. Da, dhene. Da, dhene, dhene. Da, dhina, dhina. Da, dhina. That's with 3 fingers. Dhina. Okay. So da, dhene, dhene, da, dhina, dhina. And then they do the same thing, but they don't play on the big side at all. They just do it on the small side. And then you see the gong and the wampers are playing the same beat. So da, dhene, dhene, da, dhina, dhina. Da, dhene, dhene, da, dhina, dhina. Okay? So practice that a little bit. You might not get it as fast as I'm playing it right now. But if you practice it enough, you'll get it at that speed. Okay, so they play that 4 times, and then they switch to the next part. Okay, so they go da, dhene, dhene, da, dhina, dhina. 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 This is the next part. Okay, so you got that? Da, dhene, dhene, da, dhina, 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 da, dhina, dhina. Now the next part is way easier than that. So all we're doing on the small side is we're maintaining this thing that we've been doing in most of the previous parts. Da, di, di. So da with a nak, and then di, di. Like that. 1, 3. So we're maintaining that, but we're doing something on the big side. So da, di, ni. So just like what we did in the previous part of this, so da, di, right? Da, da's with the nak. Di, one finger open. So da, di, na. Da, di, ni. Da, di, ni. Da, di, ni, da, di, di. So da, di, ni, da, di, di. Da, di, ni, da, di, di. Da's like this, open on the big side, nak. Di, one finger, open on the big side, and ni is like this. Da, di, ni, da, di, di. do that 4.5 times, which is interesting. And then they go back to that first part. So they go. I think that was 4 times. Yeah. So you notice I did the da, and then I did it closed. So that's actually, I think, the proper way to do it. What they do in the Mridanga performance is they leave out the big side, so you can, there's more emphasis on the gongs and the wampers. But you can also play it closed then. So you can do da, dhene, 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 da, dhene, dhene. So that's another variation of it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So if you do the first part 4 times, the second part 4.5 times, and then they go back to the first part and play that 2 times, and then they go to the second part and play that again 4.5 times. So it's 4, 4.5, 2, 4.5. Okay? So give it a try. You can see in the beginning of this video I played it. So hopefully practice it and you can get it fast enough so you can play along with me or play along with their Mridanga performance. Good luck. See you in the next video. Hare Krishna.